During a construction project, the plan that has been created for your team to execute the work effectively and efficiently is critical to the success of the project. However, CPM schedules and the plans used by the team in the field are traditionally two disconnected elements. This disconnected process means that the project objectives used as the basis for our CPM schedule are not reflected in the way our teams in the field plan to execute the work. This lack of alignment creates issues in every phase of project execution. With InEight's execution planning solution, we allow the marriage between your CPM schedules and the execution plans your teams in the field use to perform the work. This ensures your schedules reflect the reality of how you plan to build your assets and that the daily tasks that will be executed align with the overarching project objectives. Our solution provides accelerators that help foremen and supervisors rapidly develop plans based upon required quantities and install rates. You'll be able to spot crew clashes so you know when you may need more resources than what are currently available. And it allows you to highlight critical activity so that you can immediately understand if a delay in execution will impact your project completion date. The execution planning solution also has an intuitive calendar that field leaders use to schedule crews, assign workdays, log work completed, and track productivity rates. When your field leaders share an interval planning solution that's collaborative and so easy to use, they'll wonder why they ever did it any other way. If you'd like to learn more about this and other InEight solutions, contact us. We'll be happy to schedule a free demo.